Hi students, these are the questions that you have to do. Okay, here they are asking find the rate at different concentrations. So concentration 1.5, 0.5. In this case, how you can do, the values are given here. If it is 1, okay, what you have to do, from 1 you have to draw a line towards the curve, and where the curve meets, for that point you have to draw the tangent. So suppose 1.5, they are asking for 1.5, how we draw the tangent from here and it reaches at 25. So 25 is the T2 and C2 is how much? C2 is 0 and this becomes C1. So here 1.5 becomes C1. That is, you can put here minus 1.5 by 25 multiplied by 60. And here if they're asking rate at concentration 1, so see here, this is a concentration. If they're asking time, you have to draw from here as we did before. Here concentration they are asking, so from 1 you have to draw a straight line and you see which point it meets the curve. Okay, this point, at this point you have to draw the tangent. So the tangent meets at 1.4, and when you extrapolate or extend the tangent, it will meet at 35. So this is a calculation. Minus, you can put minus 1.4 by 35 multiplied by 60. That is, you will get the answers in negative. Here anyway the concentration decreases, the rate is decreasing. So what happens? It is negative, so that's why they didn't put. And for 0.5, so the position of 0.5 almost here, above 0.4 and between and below 0.6. so we draw a straight line. You have to draw a straight line, okay. You have to draw a straight line and let it meet this curve at this point. So at this point you have to draw the tangent. So this tangent now meets at 52.2. See here the calculation, and the other end meets at 1 point above 1, okay. It is 1.04. so the concentration of cyclopropane you have to take it as 1.04. Here also 0 minus 1.04. The answer will be negative. Divided by 52.5 into 60. That 60 is for changing the minutes to seconds. So like this you can find the rate. All of you should take the graph paper and draw this. Why I put these answers here, just to help you. Otherwise I'll not put, I can give you the answers once you do it. But this is a graph, so you have to practice it by drawing in the graph paper itself. Maybe in exam they will give you the plotted graph with the curve. You just have to draw the tangent. This type of questions can also come. Plot the graph, then find the rate at different times. Now we'll see another question, almost same like this. This is a reaction of methanol and hydrochloric acid, and all the values are given here. The data are given here. Concentration of HCl, the concentration of methanol, and time in minutes. So what is the question? You have to draw a graph of concentration of HCl against time and find the rate at 600 minutes by drawing tangents on the graph. So how you do that? See here, this is a graph. After plotting, the shape of the graph will be like this. And here the question is at 600 minutes. So what we have to do? We have to draw a straight line towards the 600 minute. Okay, this is a point where it meets the curve, and please here you have to draw the tangent and extrapolate the tangent or extend the tangent. See, the tangent is meeting at the x-axis at 2000. So what we have to do, multiply this 2000 with 60, and other end of the tangent is meeting at 1.480. see, if some students is taking only 1.4 8, they will not take, they will, maybe they by mistake they took 6, so their values will be little different, okay. So take care, try to take the accurate values. So you can change the scale according to your wish. Okay, so here the value is, the rate at this 600 minute is 1.23 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 5. So for today's, I'm giving you only 2 questions because it is a graph. There are many more questions. That questions I'll give it as a worksheet for you. Same like before, I'll send in the email, and the short question also. Now only one more topic is left for this chapter. That is very easy. From the graph you have to find, is it a first order or second order. So everyone should do the graphs in their notebooks. You have to draw in the graph paper and stick in your notebook. Write all these questions. Hope you understood this. Thanks.